going to teach present perfect continuous tense in a simple way. In this, an action started in the past and continues in the present. Okay. First, we will see the rules. Present perfect continuous tense. First we will see the rules. I, we, you, they. These comes, we have to write have been plus verb plus ing. Verb plus ing we have to write. Okay. Then he, she, it comes. He, she, it. Or names also you can say. It comes. We have to write has been verb plus ing. Okay. Now, through these rules only, you can learn how to write and speak sentence in the present perfect continuous tense. Okay. So, you should know, you should thorough with these rules. First you see I, we, you, they comes. What we have to write? Have been plus verb plus ing. Verb we can say what are the action. What we are doing now, talking, playing, writing, jumping, sitting, staying, living. These things only verb plus ing. Okay, now he, she, it comes. Names also you can take. It comes has been plus verb plus ing. Okay, first we will see the sentence now. Should be thorough with the rules. Then we can learn and write, and you can easily learn a sentence in the present perfect continuous tense. Okay. First one we will see I have been working here for 10 years. Okay. I comes, I told you, have been verb plus ing. Here verb is working. Work plus ing. In this we can say he has been. We can say like this also. I told you he, she, it comes, has been will come. He has been working here for 12 years. You can say how many years he is there. Okay, we can say like that 12 years also. But we should see very important is I, you, we, they comes, have been, verb plus ing. He, she, it comes, verb plus has been, verb plus ing. Okay. Like this here, she has been working here. Same like this we can write. Okay. So very simple this is. Only you should know the rules. That is very important. If you know the rules, you can speak and you can write in the present perfect continuous tense. Okay. First, what I told you, I, you, we, they comes, have been, verb plus ing. He, she, it comes, has been, verb plus ing. Next one. They have been playing a football. So here see they have been playing, verb plus ing. Okay. So they have been playing. He has been singing a song. You can see here, he has been singing, verb plus ing. Okay, then she has been singing a song. She, it comes, has been ing form. Okay, singing, here verb is sing, singing a song. Here playing a football. Here we can see working, work, ing, working. Next one, you have been telling a lie. Telling a lie. In this we can say, I have been telling a lie. I have been telling a lie. See here, you, I comes, what we have to write? Have been. Have been, tell, verb plus ing, telling. Okay. She has been telling a lie. He has been telling a lie. I think you can understand easily this one, because we have to see the rules alone. First we have to see the rules, that's all. I, you, we, they comes, have been, you keep in mind, and you have to know the verb plus ing you have to write, that's all. Okay, she, it comes, has been, verb plus ing. So I have given 4 examples like this, okay. She has been telling a lie, verb plus ing. Okay, next, you have been believing this. You have been believing this. I have been believing this. I have been believing this. Next, she has been believing this. He has been believing this. Now you can see, you, I comes, I told you, have been, verb plus ing. Here verb plus ing, believing is verb plus ing. I have been, verb plus ing. Next, he, she, it comes, has been, verb plus ing. Okay. Here, believing is verb here. Believe, ing, believing. Okay, next one. I have been driving a car. I have been driving a car. She has been driving a car. You can write for 10 years, for 5 years, you can write this. You can include this also, okay? But you should know the rules. I, you, we, they comes, have been, verb plus ing. Driving here is verb. Drive, driving, okay? She has been driving. I have been driving. Drive plus ing, driving, verb plus ing. He, she, it comes, has been driving. You can say he has been driving a car for 5 years. You have been driving a car for 5 years. They have been driving a car for 5 years. So I, you, we, they comes, we have to write. We have to say have been, verb plus ing. He, she, it comes, has been, verb plus ing. Next. He has been writing. He has been writing a book. He has been writing a book. Here I told you he, she, it comes has been, verb plus ing. She has been writing a book. Writing a book. She, it comes, has been. I, you, we, they comes, have been. I have been writing a book. You have been writing a book. Like that we can say. Next, I have been playing. I have been playing a violin. I have been playing the violin. Playing the violin for 3 years. Okay. She has been playing the violin for 2 years. Okay. Now you can see I comes, I told you have been, verb plus ing. He, she, it comes, we have to write has been. He has been playing the violin or guitar or harmonium, anything we can say. That's what they are doing. Okay. For 2 years. So here he, she, it comes, we have to write has been, verb plus ing. Has been, verb plus ing. I, you, we, they comes, have been, verb plus ing. This is the easy method. Only you should know the rules. That's all. I, you, we, they comes, have been, verb plus ing. He, she, it comes, has been, verb plus ing. This action is started in the past until continues in the present. Thank you.